Hi everyone, Salena Kulkarni here from Phoenix Wealth Group, and in today's short video I want to talk about how it's super important to be making the most of your premium income while you have it. So quite frankly, the window of time where most people are earning their peak earning capacity is relatively short. There's probably a window of maybe 10, maybe as much as 15 years when we're earning premium income, whether that's through our businesses or as executives in various organizations. I think the bottom line though is that during that period of time is when you're most busy and you've got the least amount of time available to dedicate towards worrying about your investments. What the majority of people are doing is they're handing their car keys to a financial planner or alike and just saying, here's my money, please do the best with the small amount of money that I'm going to give you, and I'll be back in 25 years or so to hopefully collect a big nest egg. What I want to say to you is that asking your capital to work hard for you when you're not sitting behind the driver's seat is incredibly difficult. What I would also say is that if you really want to create enough wealth so that either one, you end up with the nest egg that you need in order to maintain your lifestyle, or two, perhaps you just decide you want to step off the treadmill sooner, then it's really, really important that you take charge and actually be proactively looking for investment opportunities to do that. Now, certainly, people get into long-winded arguments about the merits of shares versus properties, but what I would say to you is that hands down, the thing that makes the single biggest difference to the property argument or leans you towards that is this concept of leverage. If you only need to earn a fraction of every dollar that you earn in order to control a dollar's worth of asset, then quite frankly, there's no argument, there's no comparison. So if you'd like to find out more about any of the topics that I've talked about, or you just want to reach out and see if property and early retirement is something that's available to you, then please reach out, Salena at phoenixwealthgroup.com.au, or message me below. Take care.